Hi, I'm Emily Schuette. I'm one of the Twin Cities premier bridal DIY specialists coming to you to give you a little bit of info about this appointment. I'm now working with the Eau Claire David's Bridal just to kind of expand, and because it's been so incredibly popular. And so I can't wait to meet with you and just like help you with your bridal beauty stuff that is coming up. And what I love about this is it's the type of thing that anyone can do at any skill level. Doesn't matter how much skincare or makeup knowledge you have, you're gonna learn a lot, and it's gonna empower you to look great, not just for your wedding day, but all things wedding, including honeymoons, showers, bachelorette parties, all of the fun wedding things. It's your time, you wanna look your best. And then beyond that, just from a professional standpoint, personal standpoint, you're gonna know how to take care of your skin, you're gonna know how to shade and contour your eyes and finally get that eyeshadow right. And I should know, I grew up in a very small town in Wisconsin. Skincare and makeup was never my thing. And so anyone can learn, and that's what I absolutely love about this. So a couple of quick things about the appointment. First off, you're gonna get to choose for your first appointment between either a skincare appointment or a makeup appointment. My suggestion would be to do both. Both are complimentary, and you are able to book one after doing the first one. So that is my first suggestion. But you know, if you don't feel like you have that really good base of skincare, I would start there, because we cannot paint the Mona Lisa on tree bark. And so it really helps get the canvas ready to kind of prep the skin and have that right. But if you want to learn makeup, it's so fun, you guys. I teach you how to shade and contour your eyes with 3 eyeshadows and just where the blush should go and all of the things. And it's a great bridal look that's going to look great on any skin tone and any skill level. So that is exciting too. So once you complete one of my virtual appointments, and the reason I do them virtually is because I do live farther away. And so this allows me to bring my bridal expertise to more women in more places. But I do want to say this: if you're easy to work with, if you're fun to work with, and you opt in and you decide, gosh, this is something I would like to be considered for, to do something live and in person in my home, I will drive to you. I will make that drive and do that with a group of your friends, bridesmaids, family, whoever you would want to invite. So make sure when you're filling out the sign-up form that you indicate that that's something you'd like to be considered for, because I absolutely love that. It is like having a live TikTok, YouTube tutorial in your home with samples, and you and your girlfriends are just having a blast. And it's absolutely so much fun, and one of my favorite things to treat brides to as well. So your first step to get started is to fill out the form, so have your information and can send samples and know which appointment you'd like to do. And these appointments are so much fun. There are women from all over on and commenting. It's a group appointment, webinar format, so you're not on camera, you're not required to download anything. Hallelujah. You can just be on and commenting and participating as you feel comfortable at the level that you would like to participate in. And you're gonna learn a ton. Your skin is either gonna look or feel amazing. If you do the color session, you can opt to have a custom foundation match. That's one of the things I'm really good at, is looking at skin tones and knowing exactly what your foundation shade is going to be. So make sure you indicate that in the appointment sign up form. The second step then is you'll get reminders from me. I'm gonna mail the samples right to your house. If you have friends that wanna participate, it's free for up to 4 friends. I will mail samples to their house. Make sure that you have them fill out the form so they understand what they're doing, and we have their address correct and all of that. Don't forget apartment information. That's a common thing people do. And then I will mail samples to them and also send reminders to your friends. And then we'll hop on this virtual appointment. I'm gonna teach you whichever one, if it's a skincare appointment or makeup. We're just gonna have a fun time together. And then afterwards, you have a gift card. So you can do a little bit of shopping to get some products that maybe you loved for the session. And then we kind of take it from there and decide, if it's something we want to work together in the future in person. One thing I do want to mention, I don't do day of wedding makeup. I used to do it all the time. I'm good at it. I love doing it. I do it for friends and really good customers. But at this point in life with kids and things going on, I'm not doing day of wedding makeup. So if you're hiring someone else for your wedding makeup, that is completely fine. This is great so that you know how to look good for all of the times you don't have a makeup artist following you around. So I would highly suggest you know, if you already have hired someone, totally great, you can do both. So anyway, I'm super excited to work with you. Can't wait to get to know you more. I love getting to know brides from all over the place. It's just one of my joy zones. So can't wait to work with you and teach you everything I know.